checking out Changsha. Goddamn, it's cool. Changsha got style. China got it, baby. Cha-cha Changsha. Checking out Changsha. Checking it all out. Checking, just checking. Checking out Changsha.
We're gonna go down this street right here and go down this way, and then we'll just kind of meander into it, but that'll be our focus right here. Get right into the middle of everything, and I wouldn't mind getting up to there, so maybe we'll try to angle to the right, I guess. Let's see what we can find in here. That's the main thing that we're gonna go into. We kind of got this main road over that way, so let's go on in. Changsha, China, up on the map. There it is. So we're going to be going down in the back alleys of Changsha. So this is you kind of have a main square that all the pedestrian street is at, and then right around it there's all these really cool little alleys everywhere, and that's what we're going to get in today in Changsha. So let's go there and check it out as if you were there yourself. Come on, come with me. Okay, just to kind of give you an idea where we're starting at. Kind of starting here. I think Changsha, I think it's kind of flat. It feels flat. So I feel like there's kind of a grid, but then in the centerpiece, there's a nice, really nice walking street. There's something called Wu Yi Square, and then you get all these little alleys that are not too far away from it either. So we're gonna explore that a little bit, and I guess we can kind of go any way in here. Let me just look down a little bit. But you see some people taking photos down that way. Oh, that's kind of cool. So this focus is going to be, I think that's why I'm seeing so many people. This is actually a tourist attraction as well. Got lots of little shops that are worth exploring and checking out. Got more, so let me just kind of walk in. So this looks like it's just a little, it's like all kinds of kind of hidden stuff everywhere, right? And it's also residential too. Okay, so we're gonna walk back on out. But it is really interesting. I kind of got lost when I was trying to find my hotel last night, so that was video 2, I think, 1 or 2. And I was meandering around at nighttime, so now I can actually take my time, fully understand it a little bit better. But my understanding so far is it's definitely a tourist attraction. Lots of snacks and clothing. And I think these kind of lead into little residential areas, but there could be other stuff in these too. When we looked at the map originally, the street doesn't go that far, the one that I want to focus on. So if I get caught up in all these little side things, it's well worth it. There's a cat right there. It's on the prowl. Yeah. So I guess earlier when I came in, I saw somebody there. So we're gonna stick with our plan. These little yummy ones were on the other side too, right? So these storefronts look like they go to both sides. Welcome to Changsha. Thank you. Lots of people with cameras too, right? Looks like he's getting a camera maybe with me. So let's go this way. So yeah, I think this is definitely black tofu. That's one of the things that people are buying around here. So that's the direction we just came from. Oh, he's getting a picture of, there's so many tourist stuff everywhere in here. So you can see why a lot of people will come. There's another little thing too. Care Bears. Made in Korea, Boca Lab. I like that. I might come back and do a so I think the street just goes kind of want to get a picture. I'm kind of thinking about how to get back to that statue, that little thing that said made in Korea. Changsha. This is very tourist, future oriented, right? So you got all these different languages. I think someday it's going to be, they're just going to bring in a lot of tourists. So this would actually be the end of the street, but we're only at 5 minutes. So I guess that's the name of the street. And I was gonna go right all the way to the theater. It says Don't Wait Street. Kind of want to capture it. Well, we'll just stick with it. I'm kind of surprised it got a lot more quieter when you go down this way. So I guess that particular street was kind of a main tourist street. It's all these little alleys. Lots of residential everywhere throughout here. So my goal is to navigate all the way to that theater. Before my camera dies, the battery. It's kind of interesting on the residential. Anyways, you know what? I think I'm just gonna come to an end right here. There's a slice of Changsha. Got more for you coming up.
China got it, baby. Cha cha Changsha.